Okay, so right now the tank has been drained. I got the battery in there. I only heard the fuel pump click a couple of times. When I turn the key on, it should be buzzing a lot more than it is. Let me check the fuel pump. So that's all we got. So I'll leave the battery on the charger. She's on there now. Leave it on the charger and take a look at that fuel pump cover. Take the cover off the side, this piece here, so I can look at the pump, make sure it's getting power still. It should be, because it's a brand new pump. Alright, so I got to the fuel pump and I got the fuel pump unplugged, which is this connector here. This is the wire that goes right to the pump. I got a meter on there now because I want to make sure I'm getting voltage to the pump itself, because that's the fuel pump. So if I turn the key on now, I got 12 before. Let's see how long that lasts. So keys off, keys on, hold still. Press start, it comes on for a second, and turn it. It's still on, it goes right off again. I think that's how it's supposed to work.